It's Friday, November 17th. I'm buying some SPY, 448 calls here at 381. It's a bit of an aggressive trade, but if you can see here on the 1 minute chart, the stock or the index came down and took out some key stops and then immediately bounced up. So I'm going to anticipate that this 15-minute chart here, this is going to end up being a hammer bar that follows through higher, eventually takes out the first bar high. We've been sitting here all morning with no actionable signal on the 15-minute chart, just inside. I am biased to the upside in the big picture. And then once it came down and took out these stops, it actually did it for twice. The first bar took out some stops and then tried to head up and never really took out that first bar high. This particular move then took out those stops and immediately came up. So it looks to be kind of a fake move that eventually then wants to start higher, take out that first bar high. If we can do that, I can kind of scale out, set up a no-risk trade, and then see, what I'm looking for on the daily chart here. We're holding above the midpoint of the prior day. We haven't yet really on the intraday price action, gone above the first bar high yet, but we do have the actionable signal, the 2 up bar that can start working towards the high on Wednesday and to close the week out strong, with a nice green bar here where we still have targets up above. We've been talking about that continuity all week, and we have this reversal bar yesterday that should, try to get higher towards the highs of the week, and we're starting out with a gap down here that just really isn't following through to the downside, having a big shooter bar here. So hopefully this bar, which closes in 2 minutes, will stay as a hammer bar, follow through higher, and we'll see where it goes. And again, we're going to need the confirmation really to get above that first bar high here with some green bars in order to confirm that we're kind of working back up towards those highs and some maybe the pre-market highs. But hopefully this was just a little morning shakeout here. We're still just inside here. I know that, but this needs to be now the low of the day, and we'll see if that unfolds.